Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram group on your PC and want to keep conversations focused by preventing members from sending stickers and GIFs, this guide is for you. With Telegram's latest update, you can easily control these permissions. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, navigate to the group where you're an admin. You'll need admin rights to change these settings, so double-check your status before proceeding. Once you're in the group chat, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on them to open the group's options menu. From the drop-down, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management panel, where you can fine-tune various settings. Inside the management panel, find and click on the Permissions section. This area lets you decide what members can and cannot do within the group. Now, look for the Send Media option. Click on it, and you'll see a list of different types of media that members can send, including photos, videos, stickers, and GIFs. To prevent stickers and GIFs from being sent, simply disable the option labeled Stickers and GIFs. Once you've unchecked or toggled off this setting, make sure to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. From now on, group members won't be able to send stickers or GIFs, helping keep your group's conversations more organized and on topic. As an admin, you can always revisit these settings if you want to adjust permissions in the future. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, consider sharing it with other group admins who might find it useful. Stay tuned for more tips on managing your Telegram communities effectively.